There will come a time within your relationship with a narcissist that they are going to put you up against somebody else. Okay. This will more than likely be towards the very end, towards the devaluation discard phase, when things have gotten super, super ugly. Lean in, you all. This is going to come out of nowhere. You're not going to see it coming. You're not going to see it coming. I heard someone tell me this, and I thought to myself, I could never see that happening until it happened to me. And it did happen to me, right? It doesn't matter however long you're with this person. You could be with this person for a year, 2 years, 4, 5, 6 years. At some point during the devaluation and the discard phase, they are going to put you up against someone else. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to be an ex. Okay? Now, I've done other videos talking about, why narcissists need to keep these people around, right? These exes. They friends, right? Y'all, these people know that having these relationships are inappropriate. And 9 times out of 10, y'all already discussed this. That, we don't do exes. We don't do that. It's just us. We're not hanging on to exes. Y'all probably already covered this. But somehow about the blue, they have pulled this person off the shelf, because really this person was lingering in the background. The narcissist pulled them up off the shelf, and their job, they're going to use this person to abuse you. Right? Now, this person that they're using is not even nowhere near your level. They are like trash. They're nowhere near your even caliber. And 9 times out of 10, they're the total opposite of you. But the narcissist has to use whatever they can use. And if this is who they have to use, then they're going to use them. All right? The narcissist will frame it, even though this is an ex, the narcissist will frame it and say, oh, we're friends. And they will not, what they're going to do, listen up, y'all, what they're going to do is they're going to put you in a position to say, where they're going to say, this is somebody that's a friend, even though, we were in a relationship, this is a friend, and either you're going to accept it or not. So the point is to have you in a position for you pleading your case as to why they need to choose you. That's the goal, is to have you in competition with this person. That's what the narcissist wants. Okay? When this happens, this is what you need to do. Okay? This is what you need to do. You need to disappear permanently. Like, no last phone call, no last text message. No, we need to meet up to talk. None of that. Disappear. Because these people know that what they're doing to you is wrong. And this is a form of triangulation. It is a form of emotional abuse. And this is why I believe these people need to be charged with emotional cruelty. This is psychological warfare. And you will put yourself in a position to say, well, what is it about me that they can't cut this person off? Why, it's to put you in a position to where you're second guessing your worth and comparing yourself with this ex. That's what this whole thing is designed to do. You can't compare yourself to somebody that's not even on your level. And this is why I say these people will continuously keep these folks around. It's not because these people are just good folks or that their sex is so good or all of that. That's not why, you all. They keep these folks around because they need to use them. Remember, I talked about, you guys, these particular exes go with the narcissist throughout every single relationship they get in. This is their trick bag. This is what they pull out. Oh, when you don't want to conform, They're going to pull an X out and they're going to triangulate you with this X to try to bring you down a few notches. To have you in a position to where you are constantly questioning your worth, constantly questioning your value. Why wasn't I good enough for them to cut this loser out of their life? Why? And it's not that you weren't good enough. It's that the narcissist did this by design to break you. Because they want to break your spirit. They know you up here. But they got to stick it to you and try to bring you down. And I'm telling you, if you put yourself in a position to where you're going back and forth with this person and or trying to compare or trying to plead your case to the narcissist, all you're doing is degrading yourself and boosting the ego of the narcissist. That's it, which is what they want. How you win is you disappear. Leave both of them to have each other. A match made in hell. Because they already know they're not going to have nothing significant with this person. They're just using them. They were in a relationship with this person. This is an ex, a friend. And you really think they don't know that this, if they get back with this person, it's not going to work out? And if they get back with them 3 years from now, it's still not going to work out? You don't think they know this? They're using this person, y'all. And when this doesn't work on you, the next person that they get with, they're going to let the relationship go on, and they're going to pull this person out and they're going to try to, humble the next person. And this is just a cycle that they do. And this ex will always be in position to play their role. Don't let them do it to you, you all. When you see what they're doing, you get ghost. Get ghost. And leave them both there looking crazy. You're too good to allow anybody to humiliate, degrade you, and to put you up against somebody that's complete trash. Don't allow them to do that to you.